Welcome to the future of Amthor International. This facility represents growth, it represents opportunity, it represents our commitment to innovation, to our customers, to our employees, and to the community that has supported us every step of the way. This building is not the finish line. This is not the culmination of our story. This is the launch pad for the next generation of growth, innovation, and opportunity. The future of Amthor International has never been brighter. The opportunities before us have never been greater. And I truly believe that the best days of this company are still ahead of us.
These are my favorite kind of announcements, not because of the speeches or ribbon cuttings, but because every time a company expands, it tells all of us something important. It says that folks like Amthor believe in this community.
Today's celebration is about much more than a building or business expansion. It is about creating opportunities, strengthening our local economy, and investing in people of this community.
Based on our current projections, I anticipate that we need an additional 50 to 75 team members over the next 12 to 18 months. And that's 50 to 75 people who will have the opportunity to build a career with a company that is growing, investing, and succeeding year after year. And the best part is, we're hiring right now.
Here in Gretna, Virginia, we are home to the largest tank truck manufacturer in North America. And I just think that deserves a round of applause right there. Thank you for it.
This expansion represents a significant investment in our future, and with that investment comes a commitment to creating meaningful long-term employment opportunities right here at home.
Today marks another exciting milestone with the completion of this 35,000 square foot standalone facility. As we cut the ribbon today, we are celebrating not only this new building, but also the $30 million investment to our community and the creation of the 75 new jobs for our citizens.
Gretna is our home. It has been our home for 34 years, and as long as you'll have us, it will remain our home for generations to come. This is more than a new plant. This is the future of Amthor International, and that future starts right now.